Now this illustration deals with taps not over 100 foot long, that we could make 100-foot taps here. Now notice in the primary side though, we have to have 1/3 of the overcurrent device. And when I say primary side, it's the line side that you see in the drawing to the overcurrent device. And when we divide 350 by 3, we come up with 116.7. And in step 2, referencing table 310.16, 116.7 amps require a number 1 conductor, which has an ampacity in the 75-degree column of 130 amps. Now, to select that overcurrent device, we would review 240.4E as in Ed, 240.21B as in boy 4, and 240.4B as in boy. And basically, what that 240.4B is saying, if we had 130 amps, which we do, on the number 1 THWN copper conductor, from the 75-degree column in table 310.16, we couldn't round up to 150. We'd have to round down below 130 to 125. So the solution and answer is then, the size of the overcurrent protection device would be 125 amps, and the size THWN copper conductors would be 1 AWG THWN copper conductors. Now, our figure 9-25B illustrates making this type of tap in accordance with 240.21, B as in boy 4.